Let's tune into your heart. Soon you will become no body, no thing, in no space, in no time. The doorway to the field of possibilities. Here we go. Sit up. Close your eyes. Breathe in deep. And let go. Again, in and release. Now bring your attention to the center of your chest, your heart center. Imagine your breath flowing in right there and flowing out from that same place, as if your heart is breathing. In through your heart, out through your heart. Slow and easy. In for 5, out for 5. Each breath out, your body softens. Shoulders release. Jaw softens. Hands rest. Heavy, warm, at peace. Now notice the space around you, touching your skin, filling the room. Let your edges soften. You are the body and the space around it. Gently zoom out. See yourself sitting there, peaceful. Zoom out further. The room grows small. The space grows wide. Further still, into the vast open dark. Into nothing. The void. Tune in. Dissolve. Into space. Become no one. No body. In no space. In no time. Your edges dissolve. You are the void, aware of nothing. No longer body, only energy. You are in the field of possibilities. Now, find your loving heart Where is it? Feel it. Give it your attention. Give it your love. Feel your energy rising. Gratitude. Let it grow. Feel it rising. Powerful. Like a light. Let it radiate. Now, what does your future feel like? Feel it. See it. Connect. Remember this feeling. You know it. Stay with your heart. Breathe through it. Your center. Your thought is the signal. Your heart is the magnet. Align with your future. Draw it towards you. Your future already exists. Embrace it. Relax even more. Your heart knows the way. Listen. Radiate love. Radiate your intention. Rest here. in the void. Feel the coherence. Your brain and your heart. One rhythm. Rest in the energy of your future. Broadcast the future you want. Breathe it in. Be it. Awaken your true self. Slowly return. Become aware again. Your breath, your body. Land in the now. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. You are the creator of your life. Carry this with you. If this practice touched something in you, take it with you. There is a free heart coherence audio waiting for you, linked below. It's yours. And if you'd like to practice together again, subscribe. I'll be here. Stay tuned in to your heart. It knows the way.